बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft video signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful, stunning and gorgeous stone rock painting ideas. These are very pretty and very unique Pebble stone painting ideas for you guys. And I hope so guys you enjoyed these type of pebble painting ideas. So viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very pretty and very unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep supporting my videos and keep watching my videos. These are very unique, very pretty and very latest pebble painting ideas for you guys. You must enjoy these type of pebble painting ideas. These are very stunning ideas for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed these pebble painting ideas. These are super amazing, super unique, and most demanding pebble painting ideas for you guys. So you must try these pebble painting ideas at your homes. Always keep supporting my channel guys. Always keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing pebble painting ideas for you guys. You must try these pebble painting ideas at your homes. So guys, always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are super amazing, unique and very latest, very beautiful stone painting ideas. And if you want different kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel about different craft work. So guys, thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very beautiful, amazing and very unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. So hope so you enjoyed these pebble painting ideas, and Take care, guys. Keep me in your prayers and keep supporting my channel. These are very beautiful, very amazing, and very unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. So you must try these pebble painting ideas at your homes. These are very unique and very latest collection for you guys. Take care of yourselves. Allah